Hi LRC dolls. So today we have a brow tutorial that we're going to complete, and I'm going to start off by combing out the brows. Next we're going to go ahead and start penciling in the eyebrow in an outlining shape. So you want to outline the brows. Now using an eyebrow powder or a dip brow, I'm going to go ahead and fill in towards the tail of the brow, making it appear a little darker with the shade effect of filling in the brow. Once the eyebrow appears to your liking, you can begin to use your concealer. Stretch the brow bone area, and at this point you'll go ahead and start pulling down the concealer from the underlined eyebrow. Now what you've done to the bottom, you must also do to the top side. So we're going to outline the top of the brow. Now one thing about this part is we're definitely going to go ahead and blend this out, but you want to more so puff it out if you can. So I'm using a very light stroke with rubbing this in. Now using the oval brush, what you do to one side, you must do to the other. So we're going to repeat the process. And if you're looking for more, please be sure to visit booklrc.com as we have online classes now available. I'll see you soon, dolls.